Alright, so Ezra told me to tell you guys that we're leaving the campsite here at San Angelo State Park. And we're headed to, where are we headed to?
The White Sands!
The White Sands.
Well, it was way too cold to cook outside this morning, so a little bit of yogurt bowl. We get some gas and head on the road. And the real MVP is coming out with coffee.
Come down and a gift.
Yum. We stopped along the way to wash the van since it was filthy from the beach, and then we found a really cute petting zoo on the side of the road. The kids loved getting out of their car seats to stretch their legs and look at the camel.
We're driving through Lincoln National Forest at the moment, so we just saw some elk. They got a lot of snow. We're headed to Alamogordo next night, and then we'll go play in the White Sands tomorrow.
Is this why we do van life? So we can pull over on the side of the road, put our snow gear on, and go sledding?
Yep.
Honey bun, is this your first snow? Oh my goodness, oh my goodness, oh my goodness. What you got? Look, bud. Hey, hey, look, hey, look. Is this?
Don't drop it, okay?
Okay.
All right, are y'all ready?
Go.
You ready? Did you guys have fun?
That didn't sound like fun.
Yeah, right? How much fun did you have? Are you sad we're leaving?
I really could stay on this.
Did you have fun, Daddy?
I had a blast. I think that one.
Honey
the one I had the
bun.
most fun.
You had so much fun, huh? After finding unexpected snow in Cloudcroft, New Mexico, we continued on our way to Alamogordo. We got there later than expected, so we grabbed pizza from town and headed to our campsite for the night.
Brr. That's all I have to say this morning.
We got in late last night when it was dark.
Yeah, so we're at the Holloman Air Force wastewater evaporation, so don't go swimming. It's a beautiful view, though, when you wake up. The mountains, the sun. It's too cold for us to pull the propane cooktop outside and cook. So we're gonna go eat breakfast. Then we're gonna head to the White Sands to go do some sledding, hang out there.
We decided on Dunkin' Donuts instead of.
So we ate our breakfast sandwiches and then the donut's a treat. It's just cold. I think they're left over from yesterday. Welcome to White Sands. Ow, dog. All right, so when you come in, what you need to do if you don't have your own sled, go into the gift shop and buy it, and then you have to pay the fee to get in.
Let's leave it soon. Okay, let's give it a kiss. Okay. Oh, I swim.
You're not gonna be able to fly though. Throws that head to get it.
Momentum.
Yeah.
Get out of here, Stan. You think this would wear her out? Are you doing karate?
Nope, I'm imagining of doing tricks.
Oh. We definitely worked up an appetite after all of that climbing up the hill to slide down. So I walked back to the van, made us some lunch, and we just got to sit there and enjoy it. What has been so nice about being here in January is there is no crowds. We came here last time in March and it was way busier than it is right now.
Holly Cassie is on her race.
And just like that, our time at the White Sands is done. We got back in the car in hopes to make it to Tucson before dark. After only a few hours and a short nap for Harvey, we decided to find a campsite on I-Overlander and call it a night. So we were gonna make it to Tucson, and then we decided to just pull over right before it got dark so that we could cook, because we had 2 more hours and they didn't feel like being in the car and we didn't feel like dealing with it. We cooked, we soaked in the sunset, and about to clean the kitchen and watch a family movie. And this is why we love being out west, because this camping spot is literally right off the highway. You don't have this in Arkansas.
So as we stated last night, if you can see, the highway is right there, the interstate. I mean, just what a view we woke up to. This is incredible. I know these people around here see this every day and they're like, yeah, it's just nothing new. And I don't know if you can see it, but like right over here, there's some cattle over there. But, I mean, these mountains. And we're gonna hit the road. We're going to head into Tucson. We're probably going to go bike riding today.
I decided I'm going to leave you guys here. We are about to pack up and head to Arizona. So next time you see our video, we will be in Arizona. Spoiler alert, we did have to spend a couple nights in a hotel. Next week, you'll see why.